Welcome to Let's Get Ready for Kindergarten, a series of videos created to help your kids be kindergarten ready.
Did you know that there are 4 content areas in which kids need to be proficient to be kindergarten ready?
It's true. Kids need to have social emotional skills, language and literacy skills, math skills, and motor skills. That means muscle development.
Seems like a lot, but don't worry.
We are going to show you what the skills are, why your kids need them, and demonstrate how you can build these skills at home.